Welcome back to Sideline Scran, Sport Wales edition.
Dig in, grab a slice,
Straight time.
9 out of 10.
Alright, so you guys know us as Maendy United, one of the ethnic minority teams in Newport. I think we're the first, aren't we?
Yeah.
The first ethnic minority team in Newport.
So we're actually reviewing something else. Funding. Give us a rundown of how the funding has helped us and why did we apply?
It's quite difficult getting money when you start off as a new club because not really anyone wants to sponsor you. We found that Sport Wales were giving funding to clubs that are new, so we thought it'd be good for us to get the funding, start the foundation of the club.
What's different about this team compared to other teams?
What I would say is that it's a lot more ethnically diverse. We got a lot of people from a lot of different backgrounds, from different ages as well. I felt it's been a safe place, a family almost.
Yeah.
And I think that's what makes Maendy United very special.
How do you think the funding has helped impacted the club?
Having the equipment and being able to train properly like we are right now, well, not us, but them. But without that, I don't think we would have done near it as well as we have. I think that is like one of the key parts to our club.
Yeah, definitely, because at the beginning, if we never had that kind of money, we could have booked the pitches.
The whole point of Maendy United is give opportunity to us ethnic boys and give us a place where we're comfortable playing football.
I think it's important that, of course, we keep our doors open and allow people to, trial maybe or come in and sort of see if they enjoy this sort of brotherhood that we formed. Yeah. So we've been very lucky to experience as well. Yeah.
I don't know how you're going to do training straight after this because you've demolished like half the people.
I'm not training anymore.
If you're a new team like us, applying for funding is the best thing you can do.
Highly recommend it to any other teams. It's there for a reason. It's to help us improve. It's to help you improve. It's impacted us a lot. The ball.
20 out of 10.
Bibs.
Solid 20 out of 10.
Cones.
Yeah.
Well, you just need them for training. I mean, every single drill we'll use the cones.
Figures, yeah. Whenever we put these on the corners and we do like running drills, you never run to the cones. You always cut the corners, man. You always cut the corners. You see small things that, make a big difference, definitely. Thank you from Maendy United, and this has been Sideline Scran.
See you next time.
Sport Wales edition.